In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically move emails to folders in Gmail. This is a great way to keep your inbox organized, especially if you receive a lot of emails from the same contacts or organizations and want them to be neatly sorted into specific folders. A streamlined inbox can make a world of difference in your daily productivity. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. This is your starting point. Look to the right hand side of this search bar for a small icon that resembles a downward facing arrow, which is your search options button. Click on it to expand the search options panel that will appear below the search bar. This panel allows you to filter emails based on a variety of criteria. In this expanded view, you'll notice fields for different search parameters like from, to, subject line, and more. Focus on the from field, where you'll enter the email address of the sender whose messages you want to automatically move. This could be the contact you frequently communicate with or a newsletter you're subscribed to. Once you've entered the email address, just below in the same panel, there's an option labeled Has Attachment. If you specifically want to move emails with attachments from this sender, click to enable this option. Otherwise, you can leave it unchecked if attachments aren't a factor for you. Now, beneath the search parameters, you will see an option to create filter. Click on that button to move on to the next step, where you'll define what you want to do with the emails that match your specified criteria. A new window will appear with various checkboxes, so be sure to tick Apply the label. Next, you want to specify which label, or in other words, what folder these emails should move to within your inbox. Click on Choose Label to see a list of your existing labels. If you already have a label in mind, select it from the list. Alternatively, you can create a new label by clicking New Label at the bottom of the drop-down menu and assigning it a suitable name, making it easier to find later. Finally, after selecting the label, you'll see a Create Filter button again at the bottom of this window. Click it to confirm your filter settings. From now on, any incoming email from this sender that meets the criteria will automatically be moved to the label you selected, keeping your inbox tidy and organized. And there you have it. You've set up your filter to automatically sort emails into folders, saving you time and keeping your digital life a little more organized. That wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital experience. Thanks for watching.